Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Have you ever experienced self-doubt? Maybe because of some undue criticism, or the harshness of people, or because of working on something for so hard and so long only to see minimal results? The harsh rejection and stubborn denial that the Prophet ﷺ faced from his people is something that is well known. But did you know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala addresses his Messenger ﷺ in Surah Yasin and consoles him and reassures him that إِنَّكَ لَمِنَ الْمُرْسَلِينَ, indeed you are from the messengers, عَلَى صِرَاطٍ مُسْتَقِيمٍ, you are on the straight path. The problem is not in you, in what you are conveying, or in how you are conveying. You are doing your job perfectly fine. The problem is actually in the people who do not want to believe, because you cannot help someone who does not want to help themselves. In my Al-Maghrib class, Denial, we delve deep into the tafsir of Surah Yasin. So join me as we go through this surah and derive lessons for ourselves through this consolation and reassurance that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives to his messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam in this oft memorized surah.